Indian military is politicized and Indian polity is militarized, creating unmanageable asymmetries in conventional domain, thus stressing Pakistan's strategic hand. This assertion is not merely a sloganeering, but is based on cold logic, quantitative and measurable analysis. Pakistan prefers dialogue over disengagement, peace over conflict, and civility over jingoism, and stands ready to engage with India to find a peaceful and a negotiated solutions to all disputes, including Kashmir. Pakistan desires normalization with India based on principles of peaceful coexistence, sovereign equality, but more importantly, dignity and honor. But it requires a willingness on the Indian side as well. We believe that a third party is essential to any possible mechanism of dispute resolution between India and Pakistan. We shall always welcome such initiatives by any state, international body, or a multilateral organization. In a nutshell, ladies and gentlemen, India is an important country of global south and an aspirant of a major stake in the world order. However, it cherishes hegemonism and expansionism, envisions radicalism, and blatantly defies UN resolutions, international law, and human rights. In essence, India's current approach is the academic definition of antithesis of the aspirations of global south, making it a probable Trojan horse in the camp.